Hello viewers and welcome back to Cooking and DIY. Today I'm going to show you a nice and easy but very delicious lasagna recipe. Make sure you watch the video from start to finish. To this pressure cooker, I'm adding some seasoned beef mince. This was seasoned with salt, pepper, dry jerk seasoning paste, and some green seasoning paste. Also, I'm going to add some chopped bell peppers, some chopped onions, spring onions, leek, garlic, thyme, and some water into this pressure cooker before covering up and allow it to pressure cook for about 15 minutes. 15 minutes has gone a long time. The pressure cooker is now cooled down, so I'm just going to open up and I'm going to add some fresh chopped carrots, some chickpea, some chili con carne sauce. I'm going to give this a nice mix and then I'm going to allow it to cook for a further 4 to 5 minutes, and this is all done. So I'm now going to make some bechamel sauce. To this pan I'm adding about 100 grams of butter and I'm going to allow this to melt. Once this is melted, I'm going to add a small cup of flour and give this a nice mix. Make sure it's mixed out nice and even. And you want to also do this on a low flame. Okay, then I'm going to add some milk. Give this a nice mix with the spoon, and then I'm going to now use a whisker to whisk this so that everything is mixed out nice and smooth. Gradually, everything will become thicker while it's cooking. I'm also going to add some nutmeg and a small pinch of salt. As you can see, this is now finished. So the mince is ready, the bechamel sauce is ready. Of course, the other ingredients is the mozzarella cheese, some grated cheddar cheese, and your lasagna sheets. I like to do it in the order of bechamel sauce, lasagna sheets, mince, and that way. And I'll be making about 3 layers. But in between those layers, I will also add some cheese as well. And of course, you're gonna top it off with some cheese. Once this is done, I'm gonna wrap it up with some kitchen foil and just allow everything to cook. You don't want to have your oven too high. After about an hour, you want to remove the kitchen foil. Just allow the lasagna to have a nice golden color at the top. Like this. This is all done. Looks very delicious. I can't wait to taste it. Thank you very much for watching. I do appreciate your support. Please remember, leave me a positive comment, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe. Goodbye.